Hi friends, this video shows how to hard reset using Android recovery menu. First we need to unplug power cord from the TV. Then press and hold power button on the TV. While holding power button, we need to plug power cable back to TV. Then wait. See, we get this no command screen. At this point we can release power button on the TV. Let me release power button. Now we get this Android recovery menu. Next I will show you how we can select an option from this Android recovery menu. Press power button. See, that way we can go down. From this list, let me select wipe data or factory reset. Then long press power button to confirm the selection. Then release power button. Now you can see two options: cancel, factory data reset. Again, using power button, select factory data reset. Then long press power button to confirm this selection. Then release power button. Now on bottom left corner you can see wiping data, formatting data. Please wait. See, data wipe complete. After this we need to reboot the system. From Android recovery menu, select reboot system now. That option is already selected. Let me long press power button on the TV. Then release power button. That way we can confirm that reboot. Now TV is rebooting. Please wait. This way we can hard reset using Android recovery menu. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.